Hey friends, welcome back to the another video, and today in this video I'm going to show you the first PS4 game which I'm going to be installing on my brand new PS4 Slim. So without any further delay, let's get right into the video. So the game which I'm going to be installing first on my brand new PS4 Slim is the Mortal Kombat XL. So I've heard a lot about this game and I've also seen many gameplay videos of this game on internet, and I found this game to be very interesting. So let's start with the unboxing. So the game comes in a regular blue color box of PS4. Now the best thing that I like about playing game on PS4 is that you are not required to download a too much amount of data. I mean that if you have played PC games, then you must be knowing that you have to download a large amount of data from the internet. The disc contains half of the game and the rest of the game you need to download from the internet. Now the download size is always quite big, it's around 20 to 30 GB. But in case of PS4, you are not needed to download the whole game. The base game comes already installed in the disc and you are only required to download 10 to 12 GB of updates which are of DLCs or any other thing. So in the DVD box we are not having any template, which kinda sucks. And on the other side we are having the DVD. So this was all that comes in the DVD box. On the front of the DVD box it is written that it comes with 9 additional characters and all skin packs. The additional character includes Predator, Alien, Goro, Tribok and many more. At the back side of the DVD box there are some health warning givings and name of the other characters which come with the game. So friends, this was all about the unboxing. Now I will show you the gameplay of this game and tell you the review about this game. I will also tell you that whether you should buy this game or not.
You don't even think of hurting her. Now there's a fall from grace.
So as you can see that the gameplay of this game is really very good. The best part of the game is that you can do the fatalities and the X-ray move. The gameplay and the graphics of this game is really very great. Also the story mode of this game is really very good. You can also play this game online, but for that you need to get a PS Plus subscription. So friends, after playing this game, I definitely recommend you to buy this game. The game is so good that you will enjoy it a lot. The game worth each and every buck that you will spend on it. So friends, this was all about the unboxing of the Mortal Kombat XL. Like the video if you like it, dislike the video if you don't like it, and don't forget to click that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.